Welcome to the online lecture series on 8051 microcontroller. In this video lecture, we shall see about the call and the return instructions. Now we have two types of call instructions in 8051. One is the absolute call, which we call it as A call. It is everything is same except the range. Okay, the range of addresses. Okay, so here it is you can branch anywhere between 2 raised to 11. So 2 raised to 11 is 2 KB. Okay, so A call stands for absolute call. So whenever a call instruction occurs, we have already seen in the mechanism, the processor saves the return address onto the stack by executing automatically two push operations. Then it branches to the subroutine address, executes the subroutine, and when a return instruction occurs, it retrieves back the return address by executing two pop operations automatically. Okay, the same thing has been written. Okay, but in case of absolute call, the branching is allowed within 2 KB range. Okay, and the addressing mode of A call is absolute addressing. Okay, as you can see here by the illustration, so you are executing some instructions and suddenly a absolute call occurs. Okay, so which is the return address in this case? 0012H. Okay, so what does the processor do? The processor first save the return address onto the stack. Okay, that's what is written here. How does it save? By executing two push operations internally. After saving, now it branches to the subroutine. Okay, it executes the subroutine. Okay, then when a return instruction occurs, it retrieves back the return address which was stored onto the stack. Okay, and it again comes back and continues the execution from where it had left. Okay, similarly we have long call. The only difference is now you can branch anywhere between 64 KB of the program memory. All other things remain same. Okay, so you can study this by yourself. Then we have the return instruction, which you have already seen. So whenever a return instruction occurs, whatever the return address you had saved onto the stack, it is retrieved back. First the higher byte of the PC, then the lower byte of the PC is retrieved back, and the execution continues from where it had left. Okay, as an example you can see, so this was the return address which was saved. Okay, 24 is the higher byte of the PC, 20 is the lower bit of the PC. Okay, so in the first pop operation, 24H, it is copied to the higher byte of the PC. That's what is written here. Then stack pointer is decremented. Then 20H is copied to the lower bit of the PC. Correct? Then again stack pointer is decremented. Now the stack pointer will point to the address 08H. Okay, that's why I said knowledge of push and pop operation is very important in understanding the concept of the call and return instructions. There is one more variant, RETI. Okay, so this I will cover when I will discuss the interrupts. Okay, so whenever you are returning from the interrupt, you have to suffix this letter I. The concept remains same. Okay, so this finishes the concept of the subroutines. Okay, next we are left with the exercise problems. Okay, so we have to write programs on advanced concepts. Okay, thank you.